So in this PayPal tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to send money to a bank account here on PayPal. So once PayPal is opened up, I want you to go to the home screen, go to the top left and press on the three horizontal lines. Once that is done, I want you to scroll down a little bit where it says send and pay, and then select the option of sending to a bank account. Once you're on this page right here, you can go ahead and select the country of the bank account that you'll be sending to. So for example, if I was sending this just within Canada, I can go ahead and select on Canada right here. Then once you're here, it's going to go ahead and show you the conversion. So if you're sending money from like USD to CAD, whatever the case may be, you can go ahead and see the conversion rate right here. So yeah, if you were sending $1,000 American, that's about almost $1,400 Canadian. You can go ahead and select bank deposit or cash pickup. For this example, I'll just go ahead and press on bank deposit right here, and then go ahead and press on next. Once you're on this page, you can go ahead and type in the transit number, the account number, and if all looks good, go ahead and press on next, and then just follow the steps that way. So that is how to send money to a bank account on PayPal. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.